Okay, so last time we had the class together, we discussed on simple interest, discussed about simple interest, and I don't know if anyone really tried some questions at home or if you even did the exercise I gave to you. But I want to understand that this time is the best time. If at all there is any time you must make use of to learn more about your subjects, this is the time. So let's take advantage of the stay at home. That schools are shut down does not mean we should be far from our books. So today we'll quickly run through the remaining parts of simple interest. I gave you last week that the formula for simple interest. Now the formula for simple interest is simple interest is equals to P, which is principal, times T, which is time, times R, which is rate, all over 100. Are you getting me? So if you are asked to look for the simple interest in a question, and you are supplied, you are given the principal, the time, the rates. Now all you need to do is to impute the figures and then use this formula to find your simple interest. Are we together? Now, but today we'll be looking at something different. We have it here on this page, that is page 233. The question says calculate the total amount to be paid back. Meaning that first of all you have to calculate your simple interest. Then after that you add your simple interest to the principal, that is the original amount. Are you getting me now? Now let's look at it here. Let me do the first question and the second one for you. In the first question you have a man borrowed 77,700 naira for 3 years at 7%. Now how much? Calculate the total amount to be paid back. Now, so if this man borrowed 77,700 naira, that is the principal. For how many years? For what time? What period? 3 years. That is our time. At what rate? 7%. So 7% is our rate. What do we do to calculate simple interest? So when given a question like that, you write out your parameters first. Now what are we looking for? We're looking for the simple interest. We don't know our simple interest. Our principal is 77,700 naira. The time is 3 years, while the rate is 7%. Now, so simple interest is equal to principal times rate times time times rate. So we have 77,700 times 3 times 7 all over 100. Let's do a simple calculation. 0 cancel 0, 0 cancel 0. So we have, this is what we have left, times 3 times 7 over 1. 3 times 7 will give you 21. So we have 777 times 21. Now, when you multiply this, 777 times 21. Do that on your own. So when you multiply these two together, you will get 16,317. And that is your simple interest. So in the question, we're asked to calculate the total amount to be paid back. And to get that, you have to add your simple interest and your principal together. The simple interest, which is 16,317, plus the principal, which is 77,700. The total amount expected to be paid back is 94,017, and this is our final answer. promise to solve 2 examples, but I'll stop at that first one. You have the remaining questions to solve as assignment, questions B to J. Please let's endeavor to do this exercise.